Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to do a quick update on the Tesla Model Y delivery time frame. It's been pushed back again. My last date, as of my last video, and as of yesterday, actually it just changed this morning, but it was like May 12th to May 26th was my date. I had that like kind of couple week range, the end of May. Well, today's May 9th, and it switched all the way to like end of May to end of June. Like June 20th or something. I mean, you know, like it's been pushed out. It's like May 26th to June 20th or something. So I've got like almost a whole month window now. It was closer. It was a closer like week window, couple week window. Now it's more of a month, almost a month window. And I'm kind of bummed out about that, guys, because I was really, I in my last video I did a test drive. I went down to the Tesla dealership. I did a test drive of the Model Y. Got kind of excited about the car again. And now to just have it pushed back. It was interesting to hear someone in the comments said that the Model Y 7-seat option and tow hitch option are like severely delayed. Now that's obvious, but I don't know where that information's coming from, if that person works for the dealer or works for Tesla or has inside information. But I mean, you don't need to be a Tesla psychic to figure that out, that there's delays. But I don't know why the 7-seat option and the tow hitch would be delayed. You know, it just seems like those are pretty simple parts. But so I'm curious to know if you guys have like a 7-seat or a 5-seat on order, if you guys are getting them closer, sooner. I don't know if that's going to affect it or not, but it probably will. Just to recap, guys, I ordered in August 2021. Now it's saying probably June, and I'm not even hopeful. I'm not even hopeful. Now, also in a previous video, I said that like I don't really need the vehicle. Now, what I want to clarify that, because someone might, one guy was razzing me because I don't need the vehicle right now. Well, the whole reason I don't need the vehicle is because I don't trust Tesla to deliver my vehicle. For whatever reason, Tesla doesn't like me. They don't like the car that I ordered. They don't want to build it. It's not a priority for them. And it's being pushed to the back of the line. I guess that's the most frustrating thing. This truck I'm sitting in right now, I ordered this. This is a 2022 Chevy Silverado. I ordered it March 1st, 2022. I got it April 20. I was driving home from the dealer April 22nd, 2022. 7 weeks I got this truck. Now this isn't even a top of the line truck. It's like a Silverado LT. It's got a couple options on it. It's not an LTZ. It's not a high country. There's a lot higher trims that I could have ordered that would have been $10,000-$20,000 more than this truck. But GM delivered this vehicle. They built it. They had the chips. They built it, and based on the priority of the order. And I'm grateful they did that. I really am. So the fact that I don't need the car right now, I've made other arrangements. I bought this truck. I bought my wife's got the Yukon. I've got a Tesla Model S. Yeah, I don't need it right now, but guess what? I don't have any faith in Tesla at all and them delivering my vehicle anytime soon. So my word of warning and caution to anyone who's ordering a Tesla, make other arrangements, because it could be a long time before you get your car. And don't sell it, don't trade it in, don't do anything with your current vehicle. If it still works and runs, keep it, because you might need it for at least another year. Who knows? I mean, I'll actually be surprised when I get my Model Y. I'm still not going to add full self-driving. Full self-driving seems to bump you up in line. It seems weird. I guess what seems unfair is that Tesla has no priority on when you order your vehicle. If you ordered your car last month, 8 months ago, their only concern is what cars are going to have the biggest profit, and we're only going to build those. And if you order a cheap car, a $62,000 Model Y long range, that's not worth their time to build. That's not worth their investment in materials and in delivering it to me. So I'm bumped to the back of the line. So it doesn't matter when you order. I guess that's the whole point of the video. It doesn't matter when you order. If you order the top of the line, full self-driving, performance version of their car, you'll get it soon. So I'm kind of mad at that. I'm mad about that. They're like, if I had ordered a performance version or added full self-driving or other options, a more expensive version of the vehicle I got, I would have had it, or I would be driving it right now. But I need the 7-seater. I have 4 kids. My wife and I have 4 kids, so we need at least 6 seats. Model Y is either 5-seat or 7-seat, so that's really not an option. So kind of bummed about the whole process. So yeah, I don't need the vehicle because I have 3 vehicles in my garage right now, but I have needed it, and Tesla's forced me to make other arrangements to buy other vehicles. And thankfully, other manufacturers actually want to build and deliver vehicles. I ordered, to give you an example too, I ordered from GMC Yukon. It's like a Suburban, GMC Yukon XL. I ordered that in November, end of November 2021. I was driving it like March 20th. So I think that's about 4 months. Yeah, November, December, March. Yeah, March. 4 months I was driving that thing, and I placed that order not knowing if I was going to need the car, what I was going to do with it, and thankfully it came in ahead of the time I was promised, which was awesome. And I ordered the base level. That's the interesting thing too, as well, is it's different than what Tesla's doing. GM, like they're delivering their lower trim levels because they don't require as many chips, computer chips. And I got that within 4 months of ordering it, and it's been a great vehicle, and we really like it. And so thankfully we have that vehicle to drive until we get the Model Y. I guess we'll see what we'll do when we get that, because who knows when we're going to get it. I can totally see it being a year. I ordered in end of August 2021. I could see it being more a year or more at the rate that this is going, which is sad. Because there's people that have ordered in January and February, and they're already getting their cars. If you order a higher trim, it's kind of a bummer. But so, guys, that's the update on the Model Y. It's not a good update. I've been pushed back into the future. Leave down below in the comments what your situation is. I think that's helpful for all of us to see, like when you ordered, what options you ordered, and what your expected delivery date. How many times you've been pushed out? Because that kind of gives some of us some insight as to when we're going to get our cars. Not real hopeful that it's coming anytime soon, but I don't know. At this point, it's kind of just like a game. It's almost just like it's like a joke. I tell my wife, I'm like, "Hey, guess what?" And she's like, "Oh, the Tesla's delayed again." I'm like, "Yep." It's kind of a running joke with us that's just what's going to happen. So, unfortunately, that's just the case that we're in. I'm not canceling the order though. I've only committed $250. That's the order fee. So I only paid $250. So it's not like I've paid for the car. It's also weird. People have told me down below in the comments that Tesla gives them the VIN number, they wire the money, they transfer the money to Tesla, and then they get delayed again. Like there's more delays and more delays, which is, it's like another slap in the face. Like, oh, okay. Yeah, just joking, your car's not really ready, but we want to just get the money out of you because, we've got to get a good second quarter in for our shareholders. As a shareholder, I appreciate that. As an order holder, it's frustrating. Extremely frustrating. Just bad customer service. Just this whole process has just left a bad taste in my mouth. I mean, it's just like this hasn't been a positive experience so far with Tesla, I mean, it's like It's if everyone was getting delayed, I could understand it, but they're not. The fact that my vehicle is not a priority to them, it's just like it's not even a. They don't even care. They don't care about my car. They don't care about my business, really. They don't care about any of our business. I mean, they're so busy. Their orders are so stacked up that they can do whatever they want. We'll still, they can do anything, and we'll still order their cars and wait in line for them. But I hope that's not the case. I hope that there's some urgency to getting these cars to us. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment down below. And when I see more updates, I'll make another video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.